Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2020 video tutorial. I want to do that drafting exercise with the Spannhebel now in Autocad. So I've got a section view aligned with a view of the Spannhebel, a top view. We've got a center line. We've got broken dimension lines. And we've got tolerances. And this time I want to do it in a different way than the last time. So let's have fun with AutoCAD. Okay, let's add a new layout. Make it the active layout. Delete that viewport. Go there, right click and go to Page Setup Manager. Modify because I want it in portrait mode. And it's DIN A4 already. Close. Now, in contrary to last time, I will go for a base view from the inventor model direct. That's my assembly. I want to have a view which I defined, Spannhebel only. That's just the Spannhebel. And I want it to be in closed position and open. Now go for orientation. Top view, check the scale. Scale should be 1. Yes, put it right there. Enter, enter. Nice. For my section view, go to section, select the parent view, click, click, enter, move it down and make sure enter that the depth is 0, not full, because you want only to see the surface and you don't want to have a view. Now I could delete this text. Let's move this, select the view right here. Sometimes it works like this, and then you can move it up like this and put those two on a layer which is hidden or on a layer you hide. So we'll put those two on my hidden objects layer. That would be this one. And okay, nice. I need an ISO view, so go for another base view from inventor, again Spannhebel only, and in closed position. Open it, check the scale, it should be 0.5, that's okay, and the orientation would be, I suppose, from southwest, no, maybe northeast, that's it, and put it right there. Enter, enter. Nice. Now for the center lines I will have to draw a circle because I cannot use those center lines. They will not work. So I switch to a center lines layer and draw a circle from that center of this one to the center of that one, or you could go for an arc. So let's go for an arc. Start, center, end. Go for center, this center. Start would be that center, and then go, oh, wrong, it's start, center, end. Okay, start, center from this one to center of that one, and then to the center of this one. Now draw a line from that point to the center of this arc, and then go to the center of that arc. Now for my dimensions, go to annotate, and I will use this one for my dimensions. I need a dimension here, and you see it's already with a tolerance. Why? Because I've defined a style, a copy of my ISO 25, and in this one I added the tolerances right here. Close this one. Now let's switch to our normal style and go for the other dimensions. So I need a radius here, a radius there, another one here, another one right there, and of course I don't want it to sit right there, so zoom in like this, or you could go for snap none. This should be a radius. Yes, if you get a diameter, just right click and change to radius. Then let's go from this point to that point, then go for quadrant here and quadrant there. No, wrong. No, that's okay. Then we go from that center, so right click center to right click center of this one. That would be the 15. Then snap onto that point right up here, and then go to quadrant down below, and again from quadrant to the center of that one. Move this up a little bit, maybe like that. Okay. One's missing. Dimension from that line to this line. That would be 30. Now I want to make breaks in my dimension lines, so go for break, go for multiple, and I want to break this one, and that one. Right click, select the breaking dimensions, this one, that one, this one. And I might have to change, repeat that one, dim break. I want to break this one or that one. Let's break this one. Right click with that one. Okay, nice. What's missing? Double click on that dimension, drag it wider and add D10. drag it more like this, double click here, drag D10, click somewhere else, and you might move these or leave them where they are. And I think I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to give more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.